Woo. You got this. You say if your legs feel tired?
Here's my sister Ahaveeah.
Yeah. What's up? Yeah,
some of you may know her.
Energy. If you need to take a break, take a break.
Some of you may not. She is a mother.
You got this.
A grandmother.
Yeah, I got this.
A sister, a daughter, a friend. And life has dealt her some cards. Of course, we are all responsible for the things that we find ourselves in. But here's part of her story. Come along this journey and see a transformation. This clip right here shows her coming to my home.
Good job. How you feel?
Maybe about 2 months ago, she could barely walk. Hair was all falling out where she lived. She went through quite a bit, so we brought her in and just started taking care of her. Fresh fruits and vegetables, some type of security to allow her nervous system to be open to healing, open to care. She said she felt forgotten and thrown away where she lived. So we took her to the doctor. She wanted to see a specialist for her eyes because she can't see. Diabetes, high blood pressure, you name it. And been working with her on movement because you know the life in motion stays in motion. And the body or life at rest is at rest. Your body can heal itself, but you got to give it what it needs and you have to move it. It's just incredible to see how far she's come. The first day she got here with us, after she took a shower, I bathed her, washed her hair. She had bedbugs in her hair. She had bedbugs bites all over her body and didn't even know it was there. She slept for over 5 hours, just tired and exhausted. Love can go a long way. So I have her standing on her tippy toe to kind of help with circulation of the blood to get it through her body for healing. Because as you know, if you're going to heal, you need blood. Blood is our life force. The food you eat creates the blood in your body. Good blood or bad blood. But you got to move that blood. You got to move that body so that blood can circulate. So you can get that oxygen and flow going. And this has not been easy. I'm not even going to lie. It has not been easy walking with her on top of doing everything else that I have to do. Feeling alone in this, thanks to the people in my household. My children, Lonika, has been helping me. But outside of that, nothing else. It's just been us. Pulling it off every single day. Holding her hand.
That's nice and high.
One moment at a time.
Things so you don't hit your knees.
Lifting those legs.
Let's go up and breathe.
Helping her build her strength.
Other leg. Up.
Just like
and
that.
Breathe. And down. Let's go. Up and breathe. And down. Up and down.
Keep it moving.
Up and down. Up and down. Let's go. Up.
Taking care of yourself is a constant and consistent thing that you must do.
And down.
You can't take too many days off.
Up.
But some people take years off.
And
they wonder why they're sick and broken down. So we had to do quite a bit of healing baths.
That's good.
With the herbs and the different oils, and have it just sit in water with baking soda, with vinegar, Epsom salt, the herbs, allowing her body to detox, to
nourishing,
pull all that toxins
nourishment for the
out
body
of her
and
body.
helping your body detox.
taking
But not
medication for
heavy.
years,
The older
eating
you are, the
crap
easier it is for your
food
body to
and
heal.
Yeah.
mental
All right,
neglect,
well, you
physical
can lean
neglect.
back and let your body continue to enjoy this, okay?
Yeah, I'll keep leaning back. I just keep sliding.
You got this. I'll be back.
Yeah.
Hey sis, you look
This
so
clip
good. How
right
you
here
feeling today?
really
I'm
got me.
feeling like I'm healing.
Hey, look at you. Hey, you can touch your toes.
Girl, I can touch my toes.
Look at you. You wasn't doing none of this shit, girl. Look at you.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Javier. Look at you. You are touching your toes, under your toes. Look at you.
Yeah, my toes.
Wow, Javier, I'm so proud of you, sis. Look at you. Oh my God, I want to
Got
cry.
a new lease on life.
Oh my God.
These are things that she wasn't even able to do only a few weeks ago.
Yeah.
No more swollen hands, no more swollen feet,
No,
no
you're
more
fucking up
swollen
my
face.
walls, but I'm still proud of
You
you.
actually have a neck.
Up your walls.
But I'm proud of you. I'm happy for you.
Hallelujah.
Stomach not so
love
swollen
you.
and
Love you
protruding
too.
is down.
Oh my God.
Thank you for not giving up.
She can stand steady and stable. She's not shaking and holding on to everything. And
Now you gonna make me blow the tip.
yes,
Sorry. I'm so happy for you. You look so good. You look really good.
Thank you for not giving up.
Where do you see yourself a year from now?
I see myself seeing, out driving and doing stuff.
Yeah.
Take care of business, whatever it is. Do it.
and that major bald spot now has
You
pretty
got
much
this.
closed up.
You got this. Look at you touching
Get
your
her hair
feet.
done every week. We've been working on her hair.
You got a towel?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Because I'm in my birthday suit.
You always your birthday.
I love my
Little love.
birthday suit.
Showing off her
Healing
belly
for
now. It was
Ahaveeah.
bigger than that. Huge. Love handles, all that
How
gone.
much do I got?
You got a slim waist, sis. Look at that.
Gone.
Yeah. We're going to work on getting it nice and tight and right.
Yeah.
Good job. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Gone.
Huh?
Valentine's Day?
It is.
And
We got you something.
you got me something?
Yeah.
What? Wow, thank you. Whatever it is. Did it see?
Subtle acts of kindness. Sometimes people just want to know, do you see me or am I just a project?
Can you feel it?
And she said she ain't never had anything like that
Do
before.
you know what that is?
I'm trying to give you it.
What it feels like?
Wow.
It feels like, hold it this way to you. Like this.
Smell the roses, baby
Yeah.
girl.
Thank you. What color are they?
Yeah.
Yellow and purple
Oh, wow.
and an amber color.
Oh, wow. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're
Wow.
Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you very much. I've never even had nothing like this before.
Oh.
Shoot.
Make sure she get her nails done, get her feet done. Just showing little love. Her hair is growing now. Like I was mentioning, those bald spots pretty much are closing in. She's drinking her herbal teas daily. And look at where we are 2 months later. Strength is returning. She's doing way more than she was able to do. And people are calling, asking, what have you all been doing for her? We can show you if you want to know more. She went out to her first affair. Thank you for watching. Thank you.